myself on the video, and I can't feel like supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am queen.
What's up, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your girl Kelsey, and today, you guys, I have an awesome video for you guys. It's gonna be over this girl right here. I'm gonna let you know now. It's gonna be short, quick, and straight to the point, because as you can see, you guys, I think I'm gonna start me a series called Wig Play series, because I have jumped into this whole wig thing and I'm loving it. Like, it's so quick and easy. I have 3 heads I have to do, mine and my 2 boys, and sometimes I need something that I can quickly grab, put on, and get out the door. So I did a previous video on this specific lines, one of their wigs, which was called Kersey. And today, the one that I am going to be reviewing for you guys is called, let me see. She is called Ruby, okay? Ruby is beautiful. Now, I haven't researched on YouTube yet to see if anybody have Ruby. I did search for Kersey. I didn't find any videos. But this wig, I'm sorry, it's also, like I said, by the same company I reviewed before. I don't know where I put the card at, but it's by this company. I don't know if it's Mayde or Mayde Beauty. And it says that it is an invisible lace part, pre-plucked and customized hand-tied lace part, curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. And let me see, so for this wig, as you can see, I spent $30 on it, which to me is not a lot of money, because this is gonna last me, probably, with it being short and not long, I highly doubt that it would get any tangles in it. So this one will probably last me about 3 weeks to a month. So $30 for a 3-week to a month hairstyle, you can't beat this. And this is a hairstyle that, I mean, I could wear to work every day, but I definitely, when I put this on, I want to get my makeup on too. It's just beautiful. So the color that this one came in is FF Hot Choco, and I'm gonna put like a link card above so you can see the other wig that I did. It was longer, not the Kersey, I'm talking about Valentino. She was a FF gold brown. Girl, I can't even remember. I think it was FF gold brown, but they are pretty similar. It's very pretty. So let me tell you the construction of this wig. So it comes with 2 combs in the front. They don't have any in the back, but it do have the you know, the stretchy part where you can put the stretchy part. You can adjust an adjuster in the back. It do have an adjuster. This wig feels like it would be big head friendly. It's not too big, cause like I have an in between head, like peanut size. It ain't small, but it ain't big. It's like in between, but it would still be enough room for somebody that got a bigger head. And with me adjusting the adjusters on the back, you can definitely get this wig tighter as well. So what I love about this wig is the lace part on it. It is pretty long. It kind of do a curve in the back. I just made a part on my hair, laid this down on it, and it blends in, like it lays flat. It's not bulky. The part isn't bulky. So if you wanted to like lay some concealer or foundation or however you guys do it, you know, it'll be fine. But honestly, a lot of people really didn't think this was a wig. They thought, well, a synthetic wig. Some people thought it was just a lace wig, because the lace is really nice on here. Now in the part, I did put a little bit of powder on the part, but I didn't put none where the part meets my hair. Overall, this wig is really, really beautiful. Like, all I did was put her on, and I think the part probably was supposed to come up a little bit more because my combs is kind of tilted. So I pulled my wig over a little bit more to the side because it just looks much better with the, you know, the flip. And I pulled some behind my hair. So this is how I look without it being pulled back, which is still cute. I just think for me personally, that's really cute though. But anyway, for me personally, I just like to wear it behind my ear. Like that. So I'm gonna let you guys see the back of this wig, and y'all, it is so beautiful. It's just cut so beautifully. This wig is new, but I did wear it yesterday and I've wore it today. So as far as I can tell, you guys, like, I'm really not gonna have much problems out of this wig. I can do another review if you guys would like an update or whatever. And if so, leave a comment. Let me know if you would like to have like a 2 or 3 week review on this wig to see how it's looking. Because like I said, it is synthetic. But it's just, I don't know, it's really, really pretty. I really like this wig. It makes me feel classy and, you know, just like, you know, jazzy and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys like this wig, please give this video a thumbs up. And first things first, please don't forget to subscribe to your girl channel. If you guys would like to see more wig play videos, leave a comment. Let me know what type of wigs you like to see. Would you like to see different colors? Would you like to see different lengths, different curls, straight hair, synthetic wigs, human hair wigs? Would you like to see, let me think, you know, just anything that you can think of. Even if it don't even have to be a wig. It can be hair. You know, because I also know how to make my own wigs too. Let me know. Feel free to leave a comment. And I know a lot of people like myself, you know, I'm always looking for a good deal. Your girls shop on the budget and everything. So this to me is a steal. And although I've only wore her 2 times, overall so far I'm giving her a 10. Okay, now my mind may change after long wear, but I can't complain. Like, she's really beautiful. It looks like a quick weave or like they say, a lace front. It just looks good. The hair is really soft. Like, look at that. Pretty. So you guys, until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay blessed, and remember, your girl Kelsey loves ya.